Assalamu alaikum. What's happening, guys? Welcome to Dr. Technology. Today, what I have with me is a tripod, and this is actually a tripod for DSLR cameras, digital SLR cameras that are heavy. So, this tripod is somewhat heavy and it has aluminium legs over here. This I got from a Nikon Center for 3000 rupees. This is a budget tripod, and this does seem good. I'm going to show you what all we get. So as you can see, this is the shape of the tripod, and Weifeng is actually the name of the tripod company. I guess it's Chinese, but everything is made in China, so that's not a big problem. Okay, let me show you what we get over here. So basically over here, as you can see, this is lightweight. It extends to 1640 mm. It folds to 655 mm and is quick release plates with 1/4 inch screw. It has gear elevator, 3 sections, aluminium legs with brace, and it also includes a carrying case, so that is cool. You can travel with it also. Here we have some other specifications. As you can see, it has a 3-way fluid panhead that actually tilts 3 ways, so that is cool. We have a quick release plate which actually connects to the camera and to the tripod again. We have a gear elevator over here. We can elevate the tripod. We have a attached with hook, so we have the hook over here also. We have quick release legs for lock, and we have non-slip adjustable rubber feet. So that is a very cool feature of this tripod. So I'll just get into the packing of this and show you how this actually looks. I'm gonna need my knife over here, and I'm gonna cut this through. Okay, so here you can see, guys, I basically have the tripod which comes with a bag, and it is made of fiber, a nice fiber over here. And we also have a stand, a back strap over here, so that we can travel with this tripod. So as you can see, we have a zip over here for the bag, and here is the tripod. Let's just take it out. So guys, here we have the tripod, and as you can see, it has these aluminium legs over here which look very nice. The color scheme of the tripod is very good. I really like it. We also have a stand gear over here, and we have these different elevation gear over here also, and we have this adjustable stand which is actually your camera goes over here. I'll just show you the legs. And here we have the stand. These are rubber stands that are non-slippery, and we also can, these are actually the braces that help in moving out this tripod and make it larger. As you can see over here, we do have the handle to carry the tripod, and here you can see we have a logo over here which, so as you can see, WT-3770 is the product code. As you can see, guys, this is the size of the tripod when it is folded. Now I'm gonna open this tripod and show you how this actually looks. These are the aluminium legs and rubber feet over here which are non-slippery. We also have the hook. So here is a top view of the tripod. This is where actually your camera goes in, and this actually comes off. You attach your camera to it, and then you put it on the tripod. And these are the legs, as you can see over here. And I'll just show you that we also have a leveler over here. You can see we have the level over here also. We can actually check out the level of the camera and the tripod, if it's equally stable or not. Okay, so this is basically to attach or detach your camera to the tripod. And as you see over here, when I lock this won't come off. Only this would move, and the plate would come off, so that I could put my camera over here. This plate actually comes off. So here I have the plate. I'm gonna attach this to the camera. When I move this little screw over here, now as you can see I can move this, and I can just tighten this again, and now I can't move this back. This is how you actually use the tripod. It's okay. Other than that, we do have the carrier. We can just hold this and take a tripod around. It is pretty heavy. It's not a good thing to just take and hike and go hiking with this stuff. So guys, as you can see, this is the total length of the tripod, which is about 6 feet, around 5'10" or 5'11" feet. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna tell you later. See, this is the neck, which also increase in its size. We actually have a lever over here. You can see actually this is the lever that we use to actually move this neck of the tripod. So as you can see, this is the lever that we use to move this neck of the tripod up and down. This actually increases the height of the tripod even more. And as you can see, we also have a lever over here. I'm going to show you what this is used for. You can actually turn this around, and when you open this up, you can actually move this plate around. So you see, you can actually move this around, but when you tighten this, you can't move this around. So here is the handle. As you can see, very convenient handle, very easy to hold this. And as you can see, we have this lever over here, which is actually used to untighten this, and then we can move our plate up and down, and then we can tighten this again. And this, as I have shown, is used for moving our tripod head up and down. Whatever direction we want, we just set it on there, and then we can tighten this again, and now it won't move. So guys, as you can see here, I have my DSLR and I have that plate which I got with the tripod. As you can see over here, we have this screw on the plate. We just have to turn it around and screw it on our DSLR. So as you can see, we have a screw over here. So here it goes. As you can see, it is very simple, and now it's attached. It does not move. So I'm gonna take my DSLR and attach it to the tripod. One important thing that I'm gonna tell you right now: if you attach this once, do not remove it. If people misplace this plate, and without this, the tripod is of no use. So don't misplace this plate, and the good thing is that you can keep it attached so it does not get misplaced. I'm gonna attach it to the tripod and show you how it actually looks. So as you can see over here, guys, I have my DSLR attached to the tripod, and as you can see, the tripod is full open. Obviously the neck is not open right now, but I'm gonna show you a clear view of this. As you can see that my camera is attached, and it is pretty sturdy. It does not heavily move or anything. So this would be nice for home usage. I don't recommend it for taking it on a mountain with a very fast wind, but this is good for day-to-day use. So you can actually see that when I tilt the camera up and down, it moves like this to all positions, and I can move it anywhere I want. And then just close the lever, just tighten it so that you are sure it won't move. So as you can see here, we have the screw. As you can see, I have tilted it and moved it. I can move the lever again to whatever position I want, and as you can see, it is pretty sturdy. Another use of this is that I can actually move this to move the whole plate around. I'm just going to do that to show you how that actually works. As you can see, I can maneuver around. As you can see, I can go around anywhere and that is pretty easy and pretty nice. And so here you can see, guys, I have my small Nikon S70, and I'm going to show you that we can attach this plate of the tripod to S70 also with very easily. You can see here I have my Coolpix S70 over here, and as you can see we have the same screw hole over here. Also we have the same screw here. So here it is all tightened up. Do make sure that it is all tightened up so your camera doesn't fall off. As you can see over here, my camera is attached. It looks very small on the tripod because obviously the tripod is too big for it, but I'm gonna show you how we actually attach this. This is very easy procedure. We just have to take this off and the plate comes off, and then we have to just put it back in and the plate gets settled over here. So here you have a better look at the head of the tripod and how the camera looks. This is actually for DSLR cameras, but obviously you can attach a consumer camera also if you want, and this is very good for consumer camera because obviously this is very well weighed for consumer cameras. You can see we can move it to any direction we want, and we can just make our camera stand still over there. So this is what this lever is used for. So you see here I have it, and I can actually screw this, tighten this again, and you can see here I have the camera. I can move it around wherever I want and just stop it there. As you can see, it is pretty easy to use. Okay guys, so this is the simple tripod. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Please do subscribe to my channel as it helps me a lot, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay cool and stay happy.